One of the things in algebra that a lot of students are struggling with is a multiplication of a bracket. And that's what we are having here. So here we have to multiply and simplify. Now, the bracket is taken to the power of 3. We can look at it as a bracket multiply by a bracket multiply by a bracket. So we can look at it that way because it's the power of 3. So that means multiply by itself 3 times. Or we can look at it as one bracket that is taken to the power of 2. So multiplying by itself twice and then multiply again by the bracket, whichever way is easier for you. Now I am going to go with the power of 2, and the reason being that I want us to practice how do we take that shortcut? How do we take a bracket to the power of 2? Because it's one of those skills that if we know the shortcut, it does save us a lot of time. And then apart from that, we need that improves. So how does it work? When we have minus inside the bracket. So it equals to the first number taken to the power of 2 minus 2 multiply by the first number multiply by the second number, and then plus the second number to the power of 2. So applying that here, first number is x, so x to the power of 2, then minus 2 multiplied by the first by the second, so in our case 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1, that is 2x, and then plus the second number, which is 1 to the power of 2. So 1 to the power of 2, that's 1. And then, so we have our bracket taken to the power of 2, and now we still have to multiply by one more bracket. So here we're going to just be multiplying everything by everything. So let's do that. So x multiplied by x to the power of 2, that's x to the power of 3. X multiplied by minus 2x, so minus 2, and then x by x, x to the power of 2. X by 1, that's just x. And now multiplication by minus 1. Minus 1 by x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2 minus 1 by minus 2 will be plus 2x. And then minus 1 by plus 1, that will be minus 1. So now the only thing we can do here is simplify. So we have one value with x to the power of 3, that's just x to the power of 3. Then we have minus 2 and minus 1 with x to the power of 2. Together we have minus 3 x to the power of 2. Then we have again two values, plus 1 plus 2 beside x, so together is plus 3x, and then only one number without x, which is minus 1. And that's how far we go. This is how far we can take this multiplication. Excellent exercise with the multiplication of the bracket. That's where the students struggle at most. Whether it's junior cert, leaving cert, higher level, ordinary level, excellent example for all.